Hello and welcome to Ricky's Random Blog. As you can see from the title, it's time to play with the Nokia LCD screen. I've got the screen, I've got some leads, I've got an Arduino, and I've got a guide on the internet. As you read from my Twitter, I was at this last weekend and I couldn't get it to work. But it was very simple. I had plugged a few cables in the wrong way round, so pretty much I gave up, picked it up today, and I should be able to do it, as I've already had this working once. I've taken it apart and I'm going to put it back together again. So, yeah, let's get assembling this sucker. Reset, goes to digital pin 3. CE, goes to digital pin 4. DC goes to digital pin 5. I've already had this working once, so if this doesn't work, I'm going to look like a complete and utter tit. DIN goes to digital pin 6. Clock, which is pin, goes to digital pin 7. Clock goes to digital pin 7. VCC, VCC goes to power 1. Now this screen actually uses 3 connections to 3.3 volts, so I'm going to jump the 3.3 volt on the Arduino to the plus level on my breadboard, and I do appear I've run out of leads. I have dropped one somewhere. Let's take you, and you want to go to the next pin. And I've lost my ground lead. Back in a second. I've put it somewhere. Found it. Let's plug this last one in. So that is ground. I'm going to take you as the ground pin and bung you on ground of the Arduino. Quick check. Yeah, that's definitely plugged into 3.3 volts. Got a lead for it underneath the desk. So let's plug it in and see if it works. I've got a sketch by Adafruit currently installed on the Arduino, so let's see if it actually does anything. Which it doesn't. So yeah, now I look at it. Let's see if I can figure out what's wrong with this. Right, after some wire wiggling, I think I've got it to work. So let's see if it works. Hey, there we go. Bring that a little bit closer. I am having this strange problem with certain bits seem to be rather too light. I think it's because I'm running it off 5 volts when really it's meant to be 3.3, but according to this website it's tolerant. It just shortens the lifespan of the display. But I will probably see in the future if I can get the chip to go with it that change it all to 3.3 volt. So that should run a lot more happier. Right, so we've got this going, but that's no fun. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to quickly turn this camera off, and I'm going to see if I can get a custom bitmap to run on this. So let's see if I can get that going. Well, I've been fighting with the Adafruit library for the last 4.5 hours trying to get this display to display what I want it to display. Not having a lot of luck, so I'm going to battle on, but I'm going to call it for this video. If I manage to get it going, I'll upload another quick video of it doing something that I make. So yeah, this is Ricky's Random Blog, and I will see you in the next video. Keep on building!